Log into usBIM with your credentials. Access the usBIM.resolver application. Add a new topic and assign a title. Add a description if applicable. Set a deadline expiry date. Define step, status, and priority. Add hashtags to the topic for data filtering requirements. Enter attendees' email adding them to the topic. Define responsibilities and assignees. Change topic progression. View the topic description. Add a topic to a collection. Create a new task. Define a due date, status, and priority based on job advancement. Manage task attendees. Define responsibilities and assignees. Add an image to the task. Or attach a file to the task directly from the platform. Open and view attached files with usBIM browser. Add new tasks directly from browser. Create markups on the model and add graphical notes. Seamless communication with your collaborators. Share files directly within a built-in instant messaging service. Switch from a grid view to board view. Change the progression level with a simple drag and drop.